Hi, this is Adam Ashba, broker and owner of Ask Luxury Realty. We're here in the Ask offices and going to take you in a moment to this featured home of the week. It's in Westerville, Ohio, walking distance from the beautiful Hoover Reservoir and a stone's throw away from Polaris Shopping and the downtown Westerville as well. So stay with us for this featured home of the week. Well, thanks for staying with us. Behind me is 173 Shagbark Drive here in Westerville, Ohio. Just walking distance from Hoover Reservoir, who we just saw a few minutes ago. This house will be going on market this weekend. Open house will be Saturday from 12 to 3. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plenty of space. It's 2,400 square feet, which includes the finished basement. It's got a great backyard located in the highly desirable 12 Trees community, just a stone's throw away from downtown Westerville and also Polaris Shopping as well. Easy access through the city. It'll be going on market this weekend. We're having an open house from 12 to 3 this Saturday. So come out, check it out. It'll be listed at $279,900. Won't last long, so take a look and visit us next time on this House of the Week.